what's up, you guys?
Hello,
me and Francis are in Texas
Dallas.
for the Jurassic World exhibition. This is a full traveling exhibition show where the first stop is in Dallas, Texas here. We don't know where it's going next, but I hear there's a lot of dinosaurs inside, so we're gonna check it out.
Welcome to Jurassic World.
Oh, we are here. So we made it to Isla Nublar.
Yeah.
And Jurassic World!
Unbelievable! Dinosaur!
I know. Freaking out, we're freaking out. Even though this is Jurassic World, they do have the Jurassic Park truck out here. Right in front of the Jurassic World entrance. I'm shook here. Hello, friend. He's looking at you.
This is like what it's really like, you know,
I know.
to be in Jurassic World. I suppose it's
Can learn more about the Brachiosaurus. But then, he's right up here. I love him. I want to take him home. Come home with me.
What's her name?
I don't know.
She's a celebrity, are you kidding me?
Don't be so loud.
Ashley.
This is Bumpy.
Oh.
This is Bumpy. Look at her mismatched horn.
Camp.
From
Oh,
Camp
yeah.
Cretaceous. Exactly. You guys want to take a picture?
I'm
with her?
like deep into Camp Cretaceous, so I was like, Bumpy's a little bigger now. But,
Bumpy's a
you know,
little
but-
Oh, we do ask that you do keep your hands to yourself. She's
You're
gonna get bit.
You're gonna get bit.
I am gonna get bit.
Oh my god. Look at my boy. Oh, he's so cute. Why is all of them so cute? I know they can all tear me apart, but like, I kind of wish they would. I want to rub his head. I feel like if you rub the top of his head, it's like good luck. Listen, I swear we're making our way eventually. This is supposed to be like an hour-long experience. We're gonna make it like a 3-hour-long experience. Here is the geological time scale for everyone who obviously wanted to know. Now you know. And then we are going into the Hammond Creation Lab. Hello, hello.
What I highly recommend doing is checking out this side of the wall and seeing what names you can find.
Oh, okay. Look at all these mosquitoes in amber. If you notice, this mosquito in amber is called the Spielberg S. Interesting. And then this one down here is called the Crichton M. Hidden Easter eggs. They're baby dinos in the incubator. Oh my god. Oh, he's waking up a little bit. Oh, no, back to sleep. Honestly, same. Baby dinosaur.
I forgot.
So this is a Parasaurolophus. We like to call her Para for short. Yes. She's very sweet and friendly. She likes meeting new people. You guys see this crest on top of her head?
Yeah.
Yeah. She can use that as a resonating chamber in order to communicate with the herd. It sounds a lot like blowing into a foghorn. And if you all hum at the same time in a really low pitch, she might fall asleep. Do you guys want to try?
Yeah.
All right, ready? I think she might just be a little too excited to see y'all today.
In case you guys want to take a look at some dino dung, we got some omnivore dung. This probably looks like some carnivore dung. Less green, obviously. And then this is more green, so I'm gonna guess herbivore dung. Yep. Good to know. Oh man, apparently we entered the Velocicoaster ride queue. So obviously this is Echo. We have Charlie over here. I like how they're named here. Then we have Delta. Delta's more like a greenish blue than all the other ones, I feel. Even when I ride Velocicoaster, it's crazy how like real these guys look. And then Blue is gone for some reason. I feel like we might meet him real soon. Oh, there is a whole cage.
And now, I'd like for you to meet Blue. Here, Blue, come. Blue, keep your eyes here on me. Steady, Blue, steady. All right, we're moving to your right, my left. We're good. Now let's move to your left, my right. Good, Blue, good. Shall we do this again, Blue? Easy. Blue, stand down. Stay right there. Good, Blue. Good, Blue. Eyes on me. Blue. Blue, here. Watch it. Good, good. And we're moving. Blue, this is for you. Good. Eyes up. Now, go. Remarkable creatures, aren't they?
You guys, today we will be seeing one of our largest carnivores, the Indominus Rex. It is its feeding time, so please, for your safety and ours, turn your flashes off and no banging on the glasses. It is its feeding time, so you guys enjoy the rest of your show.
Gyrosphere Valley.
Thank
We
you.
do have fossils to discuss. To take pictures of gyrosphere.
Oh my god, there's fossils that you can dig in. I don't know what it is. There's fossil. I can't get it. It's like a tooth. I think it's a mosasaurus tooth. Or a dinosaur tooth. It went green. Wait, it's doing. Oh. Oh, it's a spike. It's a spike from a stegosaurus. And they also have the gyrosphere here from Jurassic World. If you didn't know, in the movie, there was actually no glass when they filmed it. The glass is CGI, so this is actually one of the vehicles they used, because the glass was never there. Baby raptor.
This is our baby Velociraptor.
Oh. Does it have a name?
Yes, her name is Emerald. We call her Emmy for short.
Oh.
Because of her green color.
You deserve an Emmy.
A lot of people think Velociraptors are really aggressive, but they're actually one of the most empathetic dinosaurs.
Aww.
They also have very distinct personalities. And they're very social. If you spend enough time with them and create a bond of mutual respect and trust, you too could hold this baby Emmy, just like Bennett does.
Attention. This is a big emergency! Oh no, an emergency? Oh no.
We can start filling in right around here. Up against this fence, y'all, please. Everybody.
Oh no, what's happening?
This way.
This is crazy.
There's only one reason why there's a dark
This way,
shadow
we're
up
filling
there.
in the space up against this fence, please. Thank you very much. Hello, my name is Ranger Kurt. This is my partner, Ranger Rowdy. We will be taking care of you during this situation. Ranger Rowdy here is going to be handling all the busy work, getting a head count, gaining access to this gate for us while I explain the situation. What we have here is an asset out of containment. Now that's not necessarily dangerous, it just means one of our dinos decided to go for a walk without telling anyone. We should be perfectly safe here. I think it's probably one of the Stiggy Molochs. During their headbutting battles, they tend to knock each other out. What we will be doing is going through this gate, around the corner, through the big door to our designated safe zone.
No.
Normally we don't actually take guests back through here. It is considered a more dangerous location. We should be perfectly safe here. You gonna get that gate open for us?
Hello? What is happening? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, that's our T-Rex. This isn't good. This isn't good. Rowdy, there's no need to scream. Oh, it looks like she's investigating. Nobody make any sudden movements. Do not look her in the eye either. That will make her agitated. Alright. I know T-Rex works, but that looked like a yawn to me. I think she's lost interest. Looks like she's moving on. Whoa, that was close. Oh, beat her today, right?
I was supposed to do that?
Yeah, it's Wednesday. Is it Friday? Oh, that's not good. Okay. She is very hungry. Oh, we got the gate open.
Go, 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 go!
We gotta go!
Go, go, go!
Rowdy! I have the keys. No, I don't have the keys. You had the keys. Did you try?
Everybody stand back.
I'm a park ranger.
I think she's coming closer. Oh my god. Okay, I saw the Raptors trainers do this once. Alright? Stop! Oh my god. I honestly can't believe that worked. You got the keys, go, go, go! We should be safe as long as she does it. Oh no, it's
Go, 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 go! Bye! We made it!
Gift shop.
Oh man, and of course we exit in the gift
I
shop.
know, yeah, they lit strategically, everyone escaping to the gift shop.
Don't just walk to the gift shop, literally
Run.
run.
Those animatronics were insane. Definitely like up to theme park Universal level. Like the,
Yeah, that
the
was really
Indominus
cool,
Rex.
yeah.
That T-Rex was moving forward and like side to side. Like it was doing a lot of things that I didn't expect. I was like waiting for it to bust through the gate. Honestly,
I was ready for that too.
It was intense. Obviously, all the merch here is themed to the exhibition, but we can hear that you can still hear the T-Rex just on the other side over there. We can just stand here and watch all the people escape from the T-Rex paddock like we did. Run, run, run! Oh, nobody's running. That's a brisk walk. All right, that is it. That was an absolute blast. Did we have?
Insane.
We met so many dinosaurs. We almost got killed by dinosaurs.
Yeah,
that
we
was
did.
fine. Thank you guys
Sauce
for
run.
thank you guys for watching.
I ran in heels.
Honestly, if you guys want to learn more about the Jurassic World exhibition, I'll put a link. I don't know where it's going next. We'll see, but highly recommend it.
Yes,
So much
so good.
fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys real soon.
Bye.